Welcome back to Season of Your Pants Adventures. Today we're heading out with JG from Hub City. We're going out to camp by a lake, and then tomorrow we're going exploring some trails through the Wentworth area. So we arrived at camp, we got it all set up. JG's just getting parked and all set up now. But this is the view that we got for the night. So we are staying on private property tonight. It's not known by us or anybody we know, but they allow people to stay on it. Just put it real politely, privately owned land. If you can't leave it the way you found it, then stay the hell home before it gets gated and you ruin it for everyone else that appreciates it. And I mean, for being close to the road, we're only about 10 minutes in the actual trail section after we came off the main road. It's a beautiful spot that feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let's start rolling. We got out of there in just time because now it's going to rain. Well, you can now say you've made it to the castle in the woods.
I love it. Seen so many pictures of so many groups here and I've never been. I like
it. We might as well park out front and get a good photo. I'm just going to stop and check out how it is on the other side to see that we're not going to high center or anything on it. But we don't have much choice. It's quite a brock. Did you get a photo before I got up here? That's not too bad. It flattens out up here. We should be good. So we're in for a fun little trail.
You didn't hit nearly as hard as he did.
I don't even think I hit. Shorter wheelbase helped a lot.
So this is a new section of trail for us that we're just currently mapping out for OnX today. Just to have a list of it and try to build up the network of trails that we have in Nova Scotia, because right now there's only 3 of us doing it. Trying to make it better for the future generations to come. But you always got to respect the trail and not try to destroy it. So like, don't just throttle the crap out of everything. Just kind of pick your way through and you'll be fine with them. Nobody will really give you trouble either that way. Am I getting past that rock on your side?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass it?
Yeah.
Okay, am I past?
You're right here. You're not trying to
Okay. Oof. So the trail's definitely not stock friendly. I've drug my skid plates twice now in spots, but they're passable without it. I just didn't get out and look because it didn't look that bad, but then I realized after that I chose the wrong line. With the proper line, we wouldn't have drug at all. I'm just gonna walk the edge of this so that I can see how deep it looks and stuff. Oh, it's soupy. Do you want to get a photo of this for OnX? I'm thinking it might be a little deep because there's a bypass to the side for ATVs. It doesn't look too deep, but there's a car park or a Jeep rear tire mount in there. Doesn't look too deep, but it looks like it's soft, so we're gonna give it a try and see. If not, we'll back up and take the bypass. The things we do to get the shots. Oh, I just hit my nuts. Oh, fuck. Oh. gonna hit that edge. So I guess that's why they have
A little bypass.
a bypass.
It's doable. With ice, it would suck.
It's doable, but you were up over your doors.
Yeah?
Yeah, like you were up to the edge of that body line with the lake.
There you go.
So I mean, fun. Yeah, I just got caught in that hole and had both tires on ruts. So I just had to come up and out of them because they're...
Yeah. I'm gonna go driver right here.
You're gonna put the driver there and come over far?
Yeah.
That's probably the best route through.
Yeah.
Because both where I stopped is two big rocks.
Yeah, exactly. You sound pretty good there.
This way just a little. Yeah, you're on the rock. Straighten up. Yeah, come straight through. Straight up. Drivers, just a little. You're sinking in. Yes, drivers a little. There, you're past. So we just made it out of that area there. We're gonna now make our way towards Trout Lake. It can tend to be a little more challenging of a trail section. There's a lot of ridges and rocks, as well as some mud holes. But the first section in here isn't too bad, yet at least. Yeah, and just stay high. Yeah, follow right here, keep up on the rocks. So after a quick little stop at the lake for lunch, we're now back on the trail and it's rough again. There's a lot of rock, but we'll just pick our way through and see how it goes. Yeah, if you stay straight, you're pretty good. You're golden there. The water hole is a little deeper than I thought though. So this is one of the harder sections of this trail. You got to kind of pick your way through. There's bigger rocks, ledges, and just a little bit of angle changes. But it should be good. We'll set the camera up and we'll see how we do. I said, I hope he knows he's going right towards him. Miranda goes, oh well, it wouldn't be the first time you've almost run him over. No, I almost forgot about that part. Come my way hard. You're gonna go into that rock. I will say the Onyx skid plates definitely earned their worth today, as there would have been plenty of times where I caught a rock. I got some damage underneath on the skid plate, but if that had just been my engine bay or the factory skid plate, I probably would have been dead in the water. We hit hard a couple times. There were some rocks that were buried in the mud that you just could not see, and once you got into it, you sunk in and then you hit them. It's all part of the game though. That's why you buy good gear for protection, because it's gonna happen. It's not if, it's when you're gonna catch a rock. You can see all the damage that's up through here. This was never like this before when we used to come up and through. This is all Fiona damage from the hurricane that we had 2 years ago now, 3 maybe. But you can see this was all washed in and covered over. Somebody's been out and cleared it all out since then. If not, we would have lost this trail completely. Well, so we just finished airing up. Now we're gonna head back out to the main road and call it a day for the day, because we're supposed to be getting rain all day this afternoon. So we're just trying to get a good little camp out in and stuff before the weather hit. Tomorrow is supposed to be stormy as well, so we won't get out again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.